if I find great content on another site while curating content for a subject, how do I use it to drive traffic to my site? So I want to make sure, and the way I understand this, tell me or give a thumbs up if this is correct, is that you find an article you really like and you want to use that information on your website, but you also want to use it to drive traffic. That's how I understand it. So you want to be careful of having too much duplicate information on your website. So really, you don't want to copy more than a paragraph. And so if you do copy a paragraph, you want to say the website that it's from, cite that, but you really want to give your own perspective on it. So a few ways that you can do this. If you find, say, a YouTube video, for example, there was this really hilarious parenting rap where the parents, instead of like throwing money like some like rappers do, they were throwing coupons, and it was just hilarious. So you can embed a video like that, and then you can write a blog post that's 500 words about parenting, about how tough it is, how funny you found this video, but why it really you think actually captures things that are therapeutic. So you can kind of take other people's as an inspiration. So it might be an NPR article, or it might be some research study, and maybe you quote part of it, but you really want to kind of give your own spin on it, because Google doesn't like when you just curate a bunch of information from other people and just put it on your website. They're going to ding you for that. But using it as inspiration or a starting point to say, hey, I listened to this really interesting thing on NPR. Here's some information about it, and then let me go into my own spiel about it. That definitely can be helpful.